আধুনিক জীবনে ভালোবাসা আজকের ব্যস্ত পৃথিবীতে আমাদের যোগাযোগের পথ সহজ করেছে। জনেক সমঞ্জ দজের বাড়িয়ে দেজ ভালোবাসা এখনো অটো মানুষ যতই ব্যস্ত হোক না কেন অন্তরের গভীরে ভালোবাসার প্রযোজন চিরকাল একই রকম থেকে প্রযুক্তি কীর্ত দূরত্ব তবুও জড়ায়।
Whispers between the stars. On a quiet evening under the velvet sky, Avis sat on the rooftop with a mug of warm tea in her hands, watching the stars blink into view one by one. Each one, she believed, carried a memory, and tonight, the brightest of them all seemed to pulse with the rhythm of her heart. Miles away, Liam stood on a balcony in another city, the same sky above him, the same stars twinkling like messengers of fate. It had been 6 months since they last met, their final goodbye softened only by the promise, "I'll find you in the stars." They had met by chance, during a late summer art retreat. She painted with emotion, he photographed with precision. Together they captured moments, hers in colors, his in light. Days blurred into evenings filled with soft conversations, shared silences, and hands that found each other without trying. Though life had taken them to different corners of the world, the memory of that brief, burning connection never left either of them. And tonight, as if drawn by some invisible thread, contrasting times, the text describes a period characterized by extreme opposites, best and worst. It highlights the simultaneous existence of the best and worst times, wisdom and foolishness. The era is marked by both wisdom and foolishness, signifying a lack of balance or coexistence of extremes. Dichotomy. The core idea is a significant dichotomy or duality within a single era. The lack of proper spelling and grammar suggests a deliberate attempt to show this contrast.
মানব জীবনের চিরন্তন শক্তি হল ভালোবাসা, যা মার-বাবার স্নেহ, বন্ধুত্ব ও প্রেমের মতো বিভিন্ন রূপ ধারণ করে। এটি মানুষকে পরিবর্তন করে ত্যাগ ও আত্মত্যাগ শেখায় এবং জীবনে অর্থ যোগায়। আধুনিক জীবনে ব্যস্ততার মাঝেও এর গুরুত্ব অপরিবর্তিত।
Ik was the best of Tinjessa, it was the Walkstoffums. Ik was the age Zarif Wisder, it was the age of Fullestness. Minnerhausen's resume highlights his educational background, skills, and personal information. He seeks a position leveraging his technical skills, creativity, and sincerity to contribute to an organization's success.